I couldn't spell that correctly. Oops. Oopsie daisy. Look at this. He said something. Nice, do you stream daily? Well, okay, but nice. What's your favorite game? Life. Nice. Have you tried Valorant? No, it is shit, Adbot Senpai. Nice. So streaming is your passion? No, it is what I hate most. By the way, can I ask you something? Sure. What is the ad? What is the ad? Tell me. God, shut the fuck up. Stop laughing. Actually, with gaming, I also do some artwork for streamers. No fucking shit. So I can I made fuck, I can stop laughing. Man up. So I made something cool for your channel in response reasonable prices. Also, tell me your Discord username so I can show you my recent work. Sure. My username is go fuck yourself.